Alright guys, so what happened is we had a big old push up. I got took 5 contracts off down here and got stopped out, and then immediately afterwards had this big push up, so I kind of missed that ride up. So now I'm just kind of waiting for the retrace. I think we just hit the retrace right here on these moving averages. So I'm long 10 contracts at 37.88. I'll pull 10 contracts off again and move my stop to break even if we get up to 37.98. And that's just kind of my trading plan. I just rinse, wash, and repeat that. So we have inventories coming out in an hour. And at this point, it's just picking off pieces here and there. So hang on, I need to adjust my areas. Okay, and add 770, 37.80. So I have an 8-tick stop on this one here, which is down here. Actually, I think I can tighten that up just a little bit. 6-tick stop just below that candle. Okay, and up 10 ticks just got hit. So I will adjust my stop to break even now at 37.88. So that's another $500. So $1,000 for the day. Adjust, and okay. So now we're at break even on that one there. So yeah, I'm still thinking we're going to be pushing up quite a bit today. Let me go back and look left here. So yeah, we've had some major droppage. I have no idea what's going on with inventories right now. That's something I just never guess at. I always just look at the numbers. So and it really depends on what Saudi Arabia is doing also. But just reading the order flow and reading my charts and oversold areas and then key levels that trades tend to happen is always a good idea to keep an eye on those things there. So this was the previous day high up here at 38.53, and that will actually be a good area to look to probably get out of all positions, and I'll be scaling out for the day anyway, but that looks like a good area to get out if we get on up there, and that's if I don't get stopped out. So alright guys, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. Alright guys, so I'm pulling a couple contracts off here. I'm up 27 ticks, I believe it is. So pulling 2 off right here at that price, actually 28 ticks. So those are off there, and I am still in long 3 contracts right now. So adjust those there. And I am moving my stop up right below behind this moving average 37.92. So 4 ticks. And I will be following that until the numbers up here tell me something different. And then I have a take profit to get out of everything up here at the 7 deviation line at 38.40 in case we push up there. But again, I'll just be scaling out, and if we get up there with 1 contract, that'll be great. If not, that'll be great also. Already in profit on that one. So alright, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Okay guys, I adjusted my stop to 37.97, which is right here. We have a stagnation going on, so if I'm seeing any 400s, I think I might get another turnaround or pullback somewhere in that area. Anyway, I'm going to tighten my stop in this area. We keep touching this average bar, but we just stagnated right here. So I'm gonna give myself just a little bit more room on that. Actually, I'm gonna adjust that to 37.98, and that will be a plus 10 ticks, regardless of what happens on this particular trade on these final 5 contracts, and I'm out at plus 10 on the other contracts earlier from the day. So I got to run off for just a little bit. So some action may actually happen while I'm gone, but everything's set in place. My take profit is way up here at 38.40 in case we get that big push up. We got a big I zone sitting right here, so I'm not sure if we actually penetrate that one. It's like a double zone. Actually, because of that, I am going to adjust 38.28. That's gonna, no, I'm not. Yes, I am. 38.28, 38.30. That's gonna be my take profit area for the other 3 contracts, and then my stop is still at 37.98. So regardless of what happens, it's a win situation. So alright, I'll be back probably in about 30 minutes or so, and might have some action by then, and I'll close this video out if that's what happens. So chances are we're going to, because inventories is coming out before I get back. So alright, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back. Time is now 11:21, so I think I've been gone a little bit over an hour or so. So here's what happened. Obviously I'm out of this trade now. Look at these big old jumps. So I got filled at 37.88 somewhere back. Oh my goodness. Right here. On one of these bars here, and I had set a take profit at 38.30. 38.30 right here, and I was gone by the time this happened. But this is when we was fiddling around in this area for a long time, and then inventories opened up here, and it went ahead and pushed up. Actually ran up to 38.40, which is my correct decision, a correct analysis, and getting on out of there. And then, you know, something weird just this happened over here. This thing ran all the way up to 3900, dang near 38.99, and now we're pushing down. So, but something weird happened to my flow chart, so it's not running right now. When I get done with this video, I'm going to reset. Google Fiber's in the area, and they're digging and doing a bunch of stuff, so I'm not sure if that's caused all this stuff. But I still have a connection. Actually, I guess I really don't. So it possibly the fiber folks out there working in the neighborhood, which is, I'm happy to see them, because I've been looking to get fiber in my own neighborhood for a long time. I installed it at my dad's house little over a year ago, closer to a couple years. So but get back on target. I would love to see what these numbers are on this bar right here. I would love to see it, and just kind of understanding order flow. I bet we had a bunch of take profits right here on the 1 deviation line, and then you had your imbalance on the buy side. So they shot that on up here, tricked a few folks, and this thing is dropping down now. So I was logged in on my phone on my platform, so I saw when I actually took profit, and so which worked out really good. But wish I was here to actually see my flow charts, because this probably would have been a nice ride down. Right now it's actually 120 ticks off of actually about 100 ticks off of the 1 deviation line if you would have shorted that. So, but no big deal. It's been a successful day, successful trade. So I'm going to wrap this video up now, and I think I'm done trading for today. So hunting season is just about done for me. So I should be doing a whole lot more videos here now, and kind of get back into the swing of things and showing you guys exactly what I look at. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.